Cheetah, Acinonyx jubatus, is a large cat native to Africa, central Iran and India, reintroduced. It is the fastest land animal, capable of running at 80 to 98 km per hour, 50 to 61 miles per hour, as such. It has evolved specialized adaptations for speed, including a light build, long thin legs and a long tail. It typically reaches 67 to 94 centimeters, 26-37 in, at the shoulder. The head and body length is between 1.1 and 1.5 meters, 3 feet 7 in and 4 feet 11 in. Adults weigh between 21 and 72 kilograms, 46 and 159 pounds. Its head is small and rounded, with a short snout and black tear-like facial streaks. The coat is typically tawny to creamy white or pale buff and is mostly covered with evenly spaced, solid black spots. 4 subspecies are recognized. The cheetah lives in 3 main social groups: females and their cubs, male coalitions, and solitary males. It feeds on small to medium-sized prey, mostly weighing under 40 kilograms, 88 pounds, and prefers medium-sized ungulates such as impala, springbok, and Thomson's gazelles. The cheetah occurs in a variety of habitats such as savannas in the Serengeti, arid mountain ranges in the Sahara and hilly desert terrain in Iran. Fastest mammal on land, the cheetah can reach speeds of 60 or perhaps even 70 miles, 97 or 113 kilometers, an hour over short distances. It usually chases its prey at only about half that speed. However, after a chase, a cheetah needs half an hour to catch its breath before it can eat.